Ladies and gentlemen, today I come before you to acknowledge the immense challenges we face as individuals living in developing countries. We have heard the words echoed by those in developed nations, claiming that our destinies lie solely within our own hands. While this notion may seem idealistic, we cannot ignore the harsh realities we encounter each day. Our struggles are not a result of a lack of imagination or creativity. No, our battles are fought against a backdrop of poor governance, limited freedom of expression, and inadequate infrastructure. We yearn for a better life, an opportunity to utilize our talents and create products and services that can uplift our communities, just like those in developed countries. But the odds against us can feel insurmountable, leaving us feeling hopeless and trapped in a cycle of misery and poverty. However, my friends, we must not succumb to despair. Within us lies an indomitable spirit, a determination that refuses to be extinguished. It is this resilience that will propel us forward against all odds, toward a future of happiness and prosperity. What practical steps can we take to change our situation? It is time for us to rise, to come together as a united force for progress. Let us embark on a journey of empowerment and transformation, armed with concrete ideas that have the power to change our lives. First, we must educate ourselves. Knowledge is the catalyst for change. Seek out every opportunity for learning and skill development, whether through formal education or alternative means. Embrace the power of knowledge to break free from the chain that bind us. What skills, then, should we learn to be relevant on the international market? In this digital age, being tech-savvy is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. Invest your time in acquiring digital literacy skills such as coding, data analysis, and understanding emerging technology like artificial intelligence and blockchain. Embrace automation and explore the realms of cybersecurity to safeguard businesses against digital threats. By mastering these skills, you'll position yourself as a valuable asset in the tech-driven industries of tomorrow. Secondly, flexibility and adaptability will be the pillars of success in an ever-changing world. Develop a growth mindset and embrace continuous learning. Be open-minded to new ideas and willing to unlearn and relearn as industries evolve. The ability to adapt quickly to new technologies, processes, and business models will set you apart. Cultivate your curiosity, seek out diverse perspectives, and stay up to date with industry trends to remain relevant in the face of constant transformation. While technology advances, human connections remain as crucial as ever. Hone your emotional intelligence to navigate complex relationships and collaborate effectively with diverse teams. Enhance your communication skills, both written and verbal, to express ideas clearly and persuasively. The ability to emphasize, lead, and influence others will be invaluable as you navigate the challenges and opportunities of the future. In a world driven by innovation, creativity will be the fuel that ignites groundbreaking ideas. Develop your creative thinking abilities and embrace a mindset of innovation. Foster your problem-solving skills, think outside the box, and embrace a willingness to take risks. By nurturing your creative potential, you'll be prepared to seize emerging opportunities and drive innovation in your chosen field. We must also include the following on our repertoire of skills to learn: vocational skills, entrepreneurship and business acumen, resourcefulness, and community engagement. By mastering these skills and embracing resilience and determination, you can overcome challenges and create a prosperous future for yourself and your community. Next, we must mobilize our communities, unite with those who share our aspirations and struggles. Together, we are stronger. Organize grassroots movements, initiate local projects, and demand accountability from those in power. Voices, when joined as one, can create a resounding call for change that cannot be ignored. In the face of limited resources, let us embrace creativity and innovation. Look beyond traditional avenues for support, finding ingenious ways to overcome the hurdles that obstruct our path. Seek collaboration, both within our communities and on a global scale. Forge partnerships that can provide the necessary expertise, resources, and financial support to bring our dreams to life. But above all, my friends, never lose sight of the fire within you. Believe in your talents, your abilities, and the immense potential that resides within your soul. Remember that every great journey begins with a single step, and even the longest and most arduous roads can be conquered with unwavering determination. Our path may be challenging, our struggles may seem insurmountable, but let us draw strength from the collective spirit that binds us together. Let us prove to the world that we are not defined by our circumstances, but rather by an unwavering resilience and unwavering hope that burns within our hearts. Today, we embark on a new chapter, a chapter of empowerment, progress, and the relentless pursuit of a better tomorrow. Together, we will rise above the hardships, rewrite our narratives, and create a future filled with happiness and prosperity for ourselves and generations to come. Thank you.